Mitsubishi originally previewed the next-generation Triton in March by unveiling a near-production XRT Concept, and now it's getting to take the wraps off the final version. Ahead of its world premiere on July 26 at an event held in Thailand, the truck is at the forefront of a surprisingly revealing teaser campaign. The shadowy images reveal the lights front and rear, while the videos basically show the body and a bit of the interior, too. According to the designers, the styling of the midsize pickup was created under the concept of beast mode, with the goal of expressing the toughness and powerfulness expected of a pickup truck. At the front, the highlight is the split LED headlights and the boxy chrome-infused grille, representing an evolved version of Mitsubishi's dynamic shield styling language. On the profile, we can see the toned-up fenders, the protruding bumpers, and the Nissan Navara-derived greenhouse. Finally, the rear end has larger LED taillights and a more sculpted tailgate. The teaser videos also show bits of the interior, focused on the dashboard. The footage reveals a freestanding infotainment touchscreen which appears to be shared with the Mitsubishi Outlander, a rotary dial for the four-wheel drive system, a drive mode selector, and aircraft-style switches on the center console below the climate controls. Just like its predecessor, the new Mitsubishi Triton will be produced in Thailand and is set to be exported to various markets around the world, including the ASEAN region, Oceania, Latin America, the Middle East, and Africa.